Hello children, shall we revise chapter 1 once again? Yes, so it will be easy for us to remember. If we recollect the concepts, we can do the task quiz easily, right? In the next video, I will be posting quiz, so it will be easy for you to answer. Okay, so go through the video carefully. So we learned that in a generation of computers are divided into 5, right? First generation, this device is vacuum tubes. It was from the year 1945 to 1955. Second generation, the main component is transistor. It was from the year 1956 to 1963. Third generation, its device is integrated circuit chips. It is from the year 1964 to 1975. Next, fourth generation, its component is microprocessor. It is between 1975 to 2010. Fifth generation, artificial intelligence, from the year 2010 to present. Okay, now let us see each generation one by one. So first generation, vacuum tubes were introduced. So this is a vacuum tube. This is the first generation computer. The first generation computer used vacuum tubes, right? Examples of first generation computers are UNIVAC and ENIVAC. UNIVAC, UNIVAC 1, ENIVAC, ENIVAC. Okay, right. Now we'll move to second generation. Transistors were used in the second generation of computers, right? Transistors was developed in Bell Laboratories. So your transistors will be like this, right? This is how your second generation computer will look like. We'll move to next third generation. Third generation computers used integrated circuits. Yes. So IC chips. This is your integrated circuit. Now you can see your third generation computers like this, right? Integrated circuits on the circuit board. Examples are IBM 370 and IBM 360. These are the computers used in third generation. Next, fourth generation. Microprocessors were used in the fourth generation of computers, right? So your microprocessor will look like this. Fourth generation computers will be like this, which we are using in our computer lab. Personal computers, right? So examples, Intel 4004. Intel 4004. Next, fifth generation of computers were used on the basis of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Which in short we call it as AI, is the ability of a computer to act like a human. A computer can act like a human being. Okay. See here, your computer games, robotics, all these are examples of artificial intelligence. Got it, children? Okay. Now we'll try to find the answers. Okay. We have to click on the answer. Second generation of computer. Which device belongs to second generation of computer? What is this device? What is this one? Yes, first one is transistor, second one is vacuum tube. So in second generation, what is the device used? Excellent answer, transistors. Correct answer. First generation of computer. What is the name of this device? Good, integrated circuit. What is this? Vacuum tube. So first generation of computer used vacuum tube. Good, right answer. We'll move to the next task. Here you have two options. You have to select one. Third generation of computers. Third generation computers used integrated circuits, vacuum tubes. Third generation computers used. Fantastic. Integrated circuits. Good. Everyone are trying to give the answer. Good, good. Fourth generation computers used microprocessor, transistors. Excellent. Microprocessor. Fifth generation computers used microprocessor, artificial intelligence. Fantastic. Artificial intelligence. Good. Now next, very interesting. Complete the cropped words. Here we have two words, but one is missing, but that is given in the right side. We have to click on the first word, then we have to click on the second word, which is matching to the first one. Integrated circuits, very good. Micro processor, excellent. Vacuum tubes. Artificial intelligence. Good work, children. Good work. Good. So we learnt chapter 1 very quickly. Right? Okay. Thank you. In the next video, I'll post quiz. Okay? Try to give the answers. Okay? Bye, children. Thank you.